Hello, friends. Today I'm here with a life changing and an inspiring story. So, watch the video till the end. I welcome to all of you to this YouTube channel. Now, let's watch the complete video. Once upon a time, Gautam Buddha was addressing people in a village. People from different places would go to him with their various problems and come back happily with their solutions. A poor man would sit on the side of the road of the same village and watch the people who came to teaching camp of Buddha with great attention. He was surprised that people would come with sad faces inside, but when they would go back, they looked very happy. The poor man wondered what solutions Buddha was giving them for their problems. He thought why he shouldn't put his problems before Buddha. So he also approached with his problems in his mind. He found people were standing in a queue and explaining their problems to Buddha. When it was his turn, he first bowed to Gautam Buddha and asked, Lord, almost everyone in this village is happy and wealthy, then why am I so poor? Why has God not given me a prosperous life? Buddha looked at him with compassion and said, You are poor because you have not given anything to anyone till date. The man was surprised and said, My Lord, what are you saying? I am a poor beggar. I can hardly survive myself. I feed myself by begging people. I have nothing to give anything to anyone. Then, how can I give anything to anyone when I myself don't have? Buddha remained calm for a while. Then he said, My dear, you are very ignorant. You have things to give and not less at all. God has given you a lot to share with others, but you are not aware of it. God has given you a smile so that you can make people smile and infuse hope in them. You have been given a mouth so that you can speak sweet and kind words to people. You can appreciate them with your words and encourage them. Buddha also added, God has given you beautiful eyes with which you can look at others with kindness and treat everyone equally. You have been given 2 hands that you can use to do your own labor to help out people. The one whom God has given these 4 gifts can never be poor. It's an illusion and you must remove it. Never let them be a sense of poverty in your mind. Poverty will automatically go away from your life. Hearing this message of Gautam Buddha, the man's face lit up and brought the sermon into his life, which never saddened him again. Usually, we see around us that many people curse their destiny and think that why God has not made them rich and prosperous. But they need to remember the sermon of Gautam Buddha and start analyzing what God has given them. The idea of poverty is in the mind of a man. Richness and contentment do not lie in taking, but it lies in giving. It is the law of nature that what we give comes back to us 1,000 times. Therefore, the one who gives can never remain poor again.